Let's create an HTTP file downloader using the C programming language. Include all necessary header files for network programming. Define constants for buffer size and server port number. Create the main download function that handles file downloading. Create a TCP socket for network communication. Resolve the hostname to get the server IP address. Set up the server address structure with IP and port. Connect it to the web server using the socket. Create the HTTP GET request with proper headers. Send the HTTP request to the server. Open the output file for writing downloaded content. Set up variables for receiving and processing data. Create a buffer to accumulate the HTTP response. Receive data from the server in a loop. Append received data to our response buffer. Check if we have received complete HTTP headers. Check for HTTP 200 OK status code before downloading. Find where the actual content starts after headers. Write any content that came after headers. Write content data directly to file after headers. Close the output file and socket connection. Check if download was successful and report result. Create the main function to handle command line arguments. Check if user provided all required arguments. Get parameters from command line arguments. Call the download function with provided parameters. Compile our HTTP file downloader program. First, let's create a test file for downloading. Start a simple Python HTTP server on port 8080. Now test our downloader with the local HTTP server. Let's check what was downloaded from the server. Create another test file with different content. Test downloading the second file from our local server. Show the downloaded data file content. Test with a non-existent file path on the server. Test with missing command line arguments. Test with an invalid hostname that cannot be resolved. Stop the Python HTTP server we started earlier. Show that we can't connect when server is stopped. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.